And this message, I don't want it to go directly to the president. I know his agents are here. You take it to him. As you grow older, Mr. President, amend your relationship with God and with the people you have wounded. The people that surround you, especially from Acholi sub-region, majority are liars. They are not for the common people. When you go deep in the villages, some people, some families cannot even afford a packet of salt. They cannot afford to send their children to school. And you have been a president for over 40 years. And your people are so poor, you must be ashamed to lead such a people. And as you come to address our leaders, I want to tell you, one, the issue of Balalo. Take it very seriously. Two, the issue of compensation. All the times of election, you come with good programs for compensation. Let this not be a Panadol for our people, but must be a real message. Our people have suffered. They have lost their lives under the NRM leadership. They have lost their properties, and no sufficient compensation were given. We do not only want compensation for cows. Even our lives were lost. Our land were used to us displaced people. The churches, some were burned. And you made no mention of this. We want a holistic compensation that targets all the households in Acholi sub-region. In addition to cattle compensation, designate sufficient money for all the households in Acholi sub-region to the level of $30,000 for each household. Then we shall appreciate that you are for the people. Don't take the people for granted. Don't be deceived by the people that surrounds you.